Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we're gonna see linked list implementation in Java programming language. Before starting into the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, I will create a linked list class inside my src folder. Now once you create linked list class, so if you know the theory of linked list is consisting of different nodes. So first we will create a subclass inside the linked list class, and that class name will be node. So let me create a public class node. So now I have created a public class node. We'll keep two variables inside this node class. First is node next, and second thing will be int value. This value will be like, you can keep it as a string as well or other data type as well, depending on your requirement. Now let's create a constructor for this class. No need to create public here. Just create a constructor with int data. So once this constructor is getting called, we will initialize two values. So value of next, so this dot next will initialize as a null, and value of value variable will initialize as a data. So whenever we will initialize or create an object of this linked list class, we can access the node class inside it, and in this way we can implement linked list with the help of Java programming language. In next video, we will see the code for adding an element at the end of the linked list, and we will see how we can print that linked list. So for next video, stay tuned. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for the next video. So this was the only first video. Okay, I will be releasing all the videos in subsequent days. We'll cover all the linked list operations, then we'll cover DS equations based on linked list. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. That's it for this particular video. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.